Hello students, I have already explained Newton's first law of motion and second law of motion. Suppose you could understand. Today I am going to explain Newton's third law of motion. The simple statement of Newton's third law of motion is to every action there is equal and opposite reaction. Here action and reaction means forces. Let us understand by simple example. There are two bodies A and B. A is applying some force on B. This force is termed as action. So B will also apply some force on A and it is called reaction. Since force is a vector quantity, therefore the two forces will have opposite directions. Therefore, it is written as FAB is equal to minus FBA. FAB means force on A due to B and FBA means force on B due to A. Action and reaction do not act on same body, therefore they would cancel each other, but these two forces always exist. So action is on second body and reaction is on first body. There are some interesting examples of this law in our daily life. First example, walking on ground. When we walk on ground, we push the ground by our legs, so it is action. So earth pushes us in opposite direction, this is reaction, and because of which we are able to move. In fact, we are able to apply force on the earth because of friction. If there is no friction, we cannot apply force. That is why in this condition, we may fall. Similarly, we can understand pulling a cart by horse. When horse pulls a cart, the horse applies a force on the ground and the ground reacts. And that reaction gives a force, rather applies a force on the cart, because of which the horse is able to pull the cart. Similarly, when a swimmer is swimming, he moves his hands because of motion of his hands. He pushes the water, it is action, and the water pushes the swimmer in forward direction, which makes he swim. It is a reaction. Recoiling of gun is also example of action and reaction. When a gun is fired, the bullet exerts a force in backward direction. Due to which the gun moves back, which is called recoiling of gun. It is case of action and reaction. Motion of bullet in forward direction is action and recoiling of gun is reaction. Similarly, we can understand more examples. Thank you students, keep studying, be safe.